Using Semrush is a great way to find local competitors in your area that you might want to be looking at and taking into consideration when you're doing search engine optimization. Now, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial and learn how to use all this, be able to just test this stuff out basically. When you get into here, what I recommend is taking a seed keyword, which is really just like a very broad general keyword, put it into the search bar up top here. The example I'm showing is Scottsdale plumbers. I mean, you can do anything really, like keto diet, right? Weight loss. I mean, it really doesn't matter. Once you put that seed keyword in here, it's going to give us some data. Of course, you want to make sure it's a keyword that has some actual search volume. Like this one has 550 searches per month. So we know people are, actively looking for this type of keyword specifically. And then once we know that people are actively searching for this keyword, we can come down here to the SERP analysis, which is the search engine results page. And this section is going to show us who's actively ranking already. And then that's where we'll be able to start to dig into the competitors and figure out who are the competitors in this industry for this specific keyword. We can actually export this, so sometimes it's easier to just export this list of, it's at 95 URLs. It looks like it's going to give us a whole list. You can click through here too if you want to see like who's in position 1 through 10 or 11 through 20 or 21 through 30, so on and so forth. But these are the top ranked businesses for that specific keyword. And like I was showing before, you just type in whatever is, what did we have before? Scottsdale plumbers, right? This is going to be a whole different set of keywords. Scottsdale plumbing is the number one, then Yelp, Parker and Sons, Reddit, Roto-Rooter, Angie. There's a bunch of different competitors showing up here. And that is going to be probably the quickest and easiest way to find the competition is just by looking at who's ranking for those keywords, right? Assuming we want to go deeper than that, we could then start looking at some of the related keywords, which is going to be in the keyword ideas here. That takes us over to the keyword magic tool. And let's say we wanted to look for 24-hour plumbing companies and see who the competitors are there. It's looking like a lot of the same companies. There are a couple of unique ones in here too, so we'd probably want to export that. You could do this for several different keywords until you've kind of built up the full, list of all the competitors in this space, and then you've got it. So pretty straightforward. I won't bore you with any more. I think that's the sum of it all, but let me know if there's anything you got questions about. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.